Let us start exercise 3.5 of CBSE class 10th mathematics. Question number 1. Which of the following pair of linear equation has unique solution? No solution or infinitely many solution. In case there is a unique solution, find it by using the cross multiplication method. You see, the first question is here, x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, 3x minus 9y minus 2 is equal to 0. You see here, we see that a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is again 1 by 3, and c1 by c2 is 3 by 2. So we see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. This means the lines are parallel. Once the lines are parallel, no solution exists. Now proceed to the question number 2, that is 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. So a1 by a2 we see that it is 2 by 3, b1 by b2 is 1 by 2, and c1 by c2 is 5 by 8. So here we see that a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So this implies that unique solution exists. So what we do that first of all we will write 2x plus 5, 2x plus y equal to 5, 3x plus 2y is equal to 8. In my previous video, I have told how to use the cross multiplication method in details. Here you see the constant terms are right hand side of the equality sign. So we will apply left. For x we apply x is equal to LU minus LD, means LU means left to up and left to down, whole divided by LD minus LU. Now again I am explaining you, we have to find the value of x, so you cover the x part. As soon as you cover it, you take left side cross, means 2 into 5. Here I see I have written 2 into 5. 2 into 5 minus left to down LD, minus LD means left to down. Here 1 is there, 1 into 8. So I have written 1 into 8. For denominator we have to cover the constant term. So LD means left to down, 2 into 2. I have written here 2 into 2. Minus LU means left to up. So 3 into 1. Solve it. Here you will get 10 minus 8 on the numerator part and 4 minus 3 in the denominator. So 2 by 1, that is equal to 2. The value of x will be equal to 2. For y, what we do? That first of all is just see the formula. Left to down minus left to u, left to up, upon left to down minus left to up. So for y, you just cover the y terms here. Now you see 2 into 8. I have written here 2 into 8. Minus 3 into 5 means left to up. So 3 into 5 in the numerator part. For denominator again, what we do that we cover the constant and just apply 2 into 2, that is 4, 3 into 1, that is 3 into 1 here. In between that minus is there, you see. LD minus LU. So you will get 16 minus 15 upon 4 minus 3, that is 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So solution for second part is x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1. These are the two answers. Now proceed to the question number third part of the question number 1. That is 3x minus 5y is equal to 20. 6x minus 10y is equal to 40. So here is just see, a1 by a2 is equal to 3 by 6. Solve it, you will get 1 by 2. Again you solve the b1 by b2, that is minus 5 by minus 10, that is again 1 by 2. And c1 by c2, that is 20 divided by 40, that is 1 by 2. So here we see that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. This implies that there are infinitely many solutions, because the line are just overlapping each other. You see, I have just drawn the line also here to indicate that the line will overlap each other. Now the fourth part, that is x minus 3y minus 7 equal to 0. 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. Here we have to find out the value of x. But you see, the constant term is left side of the equality sign. Sign of equality के left side में है. So therefore we will just apply the formula this. LD minus LU, LD minus LU. For y it will be LU minus LD by LD minus LD. Means left to up, left to down, left to down, left to up. Now you see, for x, first of all we will cover the x. We can cover the x with any numbers. You can just, with the help of anything, you can just cover the x. Now multiply minus 3, this left to down. So minus 3 into minus 15, minus 3 into minus 15, minus 3 into minus 7, minus 3 into minus 7. In the denominator, while you are finding the denominator, you cover the constant term. So you see, 1 into minus 3, left to down, and minus left to up, means 3 into minus 3. So in this way we will find out the numerator and denominator part. So solve it, you will get 45 minus 21 whole upon minus 3 plus 9, that is equal to 24 by 6, that will be 4. This will be the answer for x. Y is equal to 3 into minus 7. You see, LU. 3 means cover. We have to cover the y terms. So 3 into minus 7, you see. 3 into minus 7. 3 into minus 7 minus left to down means 1 into minus 15. 1 into minus 15 whole divided by 1 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 3. Again you will get minus 21 upon minus 21 plus 15 whole upon minus 3 plus 9. That will be equal to minus 6 upon 6, that is equal to minus 1. So unique solution will be there, that is 4 and minus 1. Unique solution as, because the a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is equal to . So you see the unique solution, that is because a1 by a2 is equal to 1 by 3, b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 3, that is 1, Again, now C1 by C2, that is minus 7 by minus 15. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, is not equal to C1 by C2. So there is a unique solution. Now you see by cross multiplication method, you see x minus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0, 3x minus 3y minus 15 is equal to 0. So first of all we will write the coefficient of y here, and from after writing it we just proceed to the right hand side, write down minus 7 minus 15. Now start from the coefficient of x, that is 1 and 3. Now again reach to the coefficient of y, that is minus 3 and minus 3. So this will be, while you are multiplying in this direction, means from left to up, so you have to add minus. So here see, x upon minus 3 into minus 50, I have written here, minus 3 into minus 7, but in between them I have written minus, because this arrow indicates that there should be minus here. So for y also, you see 7 into 3, minus 7 into 3, I have written, minus 15 into 1, in between minus there. So for the last one, that is 1 upon 1 into minus 3, minus 3 into minus 3. You solve it here, you will get x upon 45 minus 21 equal to y, there is minus 21 up plus 15 equal to 1 upon minus 3 plus 9. X upon 24, y upon minus 6 equal to 1 upon 6. Now compare, while you are finding the value of x, you compare this and this. So x will be equal to 24 upon 6. So you will get 4 here. Y, for y, you just compare this. So y will be equal to minus 6 upon 6, that is equal to minus 1. So complete long cross multiplication method I have done here. Now question number 2, you see, question number 2, first part, for which value of a and b does the following pair of linear equation have an infinite number of solutions? So 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. Just below it I have written a minus b bracket closed x plus a plus b y is equal to 3a plus b minus 2. So we have to see the condition for infinite solution is, that is I have written here, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So I have put the condition here. You see, a1 by a2, that is 2 by a minus b, 3 upon a plus b, c1 upon c2, that is 7 upon 3a plus b minus 2. From these two, if you just cross multiply it, you will get a plus a is equal to 5b, and from second and third by cross multiplication you will get 7a. You see, 7a plus 7b will be equal to, that is 9a plus 3b minus 6. If just solve it, you will get 2b will be equal to a minus 3. Put a is equal to 5b here, you see, a is equal to 5b. So, in place of a, I have written here 2b is equal to 5b minus 3. Solve it. You will get 3b is equal to 3, that is b is equal to 1. So, now substitute the value of b. A is equal to 5b, so a is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. This will be the answer of the question, part 1 of the question number 2. Now proceed to the part 2 of the question number 2. That is condition for no solution. Means the lines are parallel. At that time, a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2 and it should not be equal to c1 by c2. Hence, 3x plus y is equal to 1. You see, 2k minus 1 bracket closed x. Means this will be the a2. And k minus 1 bracket closed, this will be the b2. Y equal to 2k plus 1. This is c2. So, condition for no solution is this, that a1 by a2 should be equal to b1 by b2. So, here 3 by 2k minus 1 equal to 1 upon k minus 1, that is equal to, cross multiply it, you will get 3k minus 3 equal to 2k minus 1. So 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1, that is k is equal to 2. So proceed now question number 3. Solve the following pair of linear equation by substitutions and cross multiplication method. You see here I have written 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y equal to 4. So here we see the constant terms are right hand side of the sign of equality. So we will apply this formula, x is equal to left to up minus left to down whole divided by left to down minus left to up. You see, I am doing it here. While you are going to find the value of x, you just cover the x. First of all, cover the x. Now multiply left to up. You see, 2 into 9. So here I have written 2 into 9. Minus left to down. You see, 5 into 4. 5 into 4. So while you are writing the denominator part, you just cover the constant term. So 8 into 2, 8 into 2, minus 3 into 5, left to up. So solve it further, you will get minus 2 as an answer for the part, for the value of x. You will get the x is equal to minus 2. This will be the answer. For y, again you see, for y, I have written the formula left to down. Means you have to cover the y part. Left to down means 8 into 4. 8 into 4, you see I have written here 8 into 4. Minus 3 into 9. Minus 3 into 9. Because you have covered the y part. And you are going to find the value of y. So 3 into 9, that is 3 into 9. Denominator will be the same. What was the denominator for x? The same denominator will be here also. Because while you are finding the denominator, you just cover the constant term. And you see the coefficient of x and coefficient of y. Left to down. LD means, the left to down means 8 into 2. Minus 3 into 5. 3 into 5. So solve it. 8 4 is 32 minus 3 9 is 27 whole divided by 8 2 is 16 minus 15. You will get 5 by 1, that is equal to 5. So the value of y will be equal to 5. The cross multiplication method in details. So what you have to do, that you have to take this constant term to the left hand side of the sign of equality. So I have brought it to the constant term to the left hand side. You see 8x plus 5y minus 9 is equal to 0. 3x plus 2y minus 4 is equal to 0. You see, this is also the cross multiplication method. But I have concised it very in a short way. I have done it, the last solution of it. But here in details I have done it here, so that you can understand in details also. So x upon, you see, I have first of all written the 5 2. I have to start from the middle one, means 5 2, फिर minus 9 minus 4, फिर again you proceed to this 8 3 and 5 2. So for x is equal to x upon 5 into minus 4 minus 2 into minus 9, 2 into minus 9. Y will be equal to minus 9 into 3, minus 9 into 3 as it is, minus from your side while you are going upside, cross me. So minus 4 into 8 equal to 1 upon you have to write complete. See 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 2 minus 3 into 5. So again solve it. X is equal to x upon minus 20 plus 18 equal to y upon minus 27 plus 32 equal to 1 upon 16 minus 15. That is x upon minus 2 equal to y upon 5 equal to 1 upon 1. So x will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2, that is minus 2. Y is equal to 5 into 1, that is 5. The same answer you will get here also. So whatever the convenient you think, if it is a complete final solution of the cross multiplication, here I have started from the initial stage to the last stage. So now the question number 3 is over. Now proceed. Now the same question I have to do with the substitution method as per the requirement of the question. You see, I have written here 8x plus 5y is equal to 9. 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. So y will be equal to 4 minus 3x by 2. Now substitute this value here. So 8x plus 5 inside the bracket 4 minus 3x upon 2 bracket closed is equal to 9. Solve it. You will get 16x plus 20 minus 15x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 minus 20 equal to minus 2. That will be the answer. Y is equal to, so substitute the value of x here. So y will be equal to 4 minus 3 inside the bracket minus 2, the value of x upon 2. Solve it, you will get 4 plus 6 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2, you will get 5. This is the substitution method for the question number 3. Now proceed to the question number 4. Here, form the pair of linear equations in the following problems and find their solution if they exist by an algebraic method. Means here we can use any algebraic method which you like most. You can do it. Now let x be the fixed. The first question is like this. Part of the monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as a hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of the food per day. Now you see here, let X be the fixed monthly charges and Y be the charges for 1 day food in mess. So according to the question, for a student A for 20 days, X plus 20 into Y is equal to 1000 given. For a student B for 26 days, that is X plus 26Y equal to 1180. Just below it, you write down this equation and subtract it. You will get 6y is equal to 180. Therefore, the y will be equal to 180 divided by 6, that is 30. By elimination method, I have done it by equating the coefficient of x here. Now, the value for x, we substitute the value of y here. In x plus 20y is equal to 1000. Here I have written x is equal to 20. X plus 20 into 30 is equal to 1000. So x is equal to 1000 into 600, that is equal to 400. So this will be the answer. This is the fixed price for the fixed charges of the hostel. Now question second part. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to its denominator. Find the fraction. Let x by y be the fraction. According to the question, if 1 is subtracted from the numerator, means x minus 1 upon y is equal to 1 by 3. Just cross multiply, you will get an equation like this. 3x minus y minus 3 equal to 0. Here x upon y plus 8. In the second part of the question, it is mentioned that when 8 is added to the denominator, the complete fraction becomes equal to 1 by 4. So I have written here x upon y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So 4x minus y minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, x will be equal to minus 1 into minus 8. You see from these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, I have applied the LU minus LD formula. That is a cross multiplication method also. So x is equal to, here the constant term is on the left hand side of the sign of equality. So I have to use that one formula, means for x LD minus LU upon LD minus LU. So minus 1 into minus 8. You see minus 1 is minus 1 into minus 8. So minus 1 into minus 8, that is LD, means left to down. After that minus LU means left में minus 1 into minus 3 whole upon 3 into minus 1. You just cover the constant term here, just like here, and cross multiply it. So 3 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 8 minus 3 upon minus 3 plus 4, that is equal to 5 by 1, that is 5. So for y, you just use the formula LU, means 4 into minus 3, 4 into minus 3 minus 3 into minus 8, that is LD. Whole upon the denominator will be remain same. So write down here 3 into minus 1, 4 into minus 1 as it is. There will be no change in the denominator part. So again after solving you will get minus 12 plus 24 whole divided by minus 3 plus 4, that is 12 upon 1, that is 12. Fraction is 5 by 12. This will be the answer of question number 4, second part. Now proceed to the third part of the question number 4. The S scored 40 marks in the test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 marks for each wrong answer. Stop. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, then yes would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So here I have just see scored is 40 marks, right answer 3, losing marks minus 1, means for wrong answer. In the second case 50 marks is scored, right answer is, for right answer award marks is given is, that is 4, and for wrong answer minus 2. So let x be the number of the correct answer and y be the number of wrong answer. So according to the question, 3x minus y is equal to 40, and just multiply it by 2, you will get 6x minus 2y equal to 80. And for this, 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. You just write down 4x minus 2y equal to 50. Just subtract it. You can neutralize or eliminate the y term. You will get 2x is equal to 30. So x will be equal to 15. Now put the value of x in the first equations we have. 3 into 15 minus y, that is equal to 40. So the 45 minus 40 is equal to y, that is 5, will be the value for y, means wrong answer will be, the question of wrong answer is, that is 5. So total number of the question will be 15 plus 5, that is total 20 questions are there. Now the fourth part, you see place A and B. Place A and B are 100 km apart on the highway. One car starts from A, another car from B at the same time. If the car travels in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 4 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Let the car which starts from A has got x km per hour, and the car which starts from B has got y km per hour. The distance between these two starting point is 100 kilometers. So according to the questions, 100 upon x minus y means he has to cover the difference. By the difference means x is greater than y. So 100 divided by x minus y is equal to 5 hours, it is given. So solve it, you will get 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. In the second case, 100 upon x plus y is equal to 1. Means they are moving towards each other. So x plus y is equal to 100. Just multiply the complete equation by 5, you will get 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. Here I have written 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. 5x plus 5y is equal to 500. Now adding these two equations, we will get 10x is equal to 600. So x will be equal to 60 km per hour. This implies that 60 plus y is equal to 100. So y will be equal to 100 minus 60, that is 40 km per hour. These are the two answers. Now move to the fifth part. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimension of the rectangle. You see, I have mentioned the length of the rectangle be x and breadth be y. So area will be x into y. You see, once length has been reduced by 5 units and breadth has been increased by 3, so the total area will be reduced by 9. So because the area, initial area is x into y. So x minus 5 in one bracket, y plus 3 in the second bracket, you will get to xy minus 9. So in the second, for the second equation, you see according to the question, x plus 3 means the length has been increased by 3, y is also increased by 2, so the total increase in area is by 67 square unit. So x plus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to x into xy plus 67. From 1, we just solve it. You will get xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Further solve it, you will get 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. For the second equations, you see, just open the bracket, these two, xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to xy plus 67. This is plus 67. Further solve it, you will get 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. So x will be equal to, here you see, x will be equal to, just I have done by cross multiplication method, that is 3 into 6 LU, 3 into 6 LU minus LD minus 5 into, दरवाजा बंद कर लो भाई. You see, x will be equal to 3 into x minus 5 into 61 whole upon 9 minus 2 into minus 5. You will get 18 plus 305 divided by 19. It will be 323 by 19. That will be 17 units. Y will be equal to 3 into 61. 3 into 61 minus 2 into 6 whole upon 3 into 3 minus 2 into minus 5. Solve it, you will get 183 minus 12 upon 16, that is 171 upon 19. Divide it, you will get 9 units. This will be the answer of the fifth part.